Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Microsoft XPS Document Writer on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for Term Windows Features. Best result should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and locate the Microsoft XPS Document Writer. Go ahead and check mark inside of there. And then you want to select where it says OK at the bottom. And then give that a moment to install. And then once that's done, just close out of here. And then you should be good to go. And that's it. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.